Hello, dear student. Today I will discuss some illustrative examples of the chapter cell. Illustration question number first. Name the nucleic acid that is present in most of the viruses. The solution. Most of the nucleic acid that is present in most of the viruses are ribonucleic acid RNA. Second question. Name the animal cell having plastid. Generally, animal cells do not have plastid in their structure, but Euglena is the exception to it and contain plastid. Second, which plastid gives orange and yellow colors to the fruits and flowers? Chromoplast. Chromoplast is a plastid which gives orange and yellow colors to the fruits and flower. Which cellular organelle breaks down complex micromolecules such as polysaccharides and proteins? Answer is lysosomes. Question number 5. Match of the following. Nuclear envelope. Answer. Form the boundary between the nucleus and cytoplasm. Number C. Number 2. Nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm match with the fluid medium of the nucleus. Chromosome contain the genetic instructions, and last nucleus assembles ribosomes. What is the function of nuclear membrane? The nuclear envelope separates events taking place in the nucleus from events taking place in rest of the cell. Second, it protects the genetic material from damage. And number third, it also facilitates chromosomal replication and orientation during cell division. Seventh, what is the functional difference between a plasma membrane and cell wall? Plasma membrane, it's mainly control what goes in and out of the cell, because we remember the plasma membrane is semi-permeable membrane. In cell wall, it has little control over what goes in and out of the cell. Second, it provides little physical support, whereas in cell wall it provides great deal of physical support. Third, it is thin, flexible and so expansion here strong, rigid and provide physical barrier of expansion. Lastly, it can perform osmosis, whereas in cell wall cannot perform osmosis. Question number 8. In which type of cell require more number of mitochondria? Mitochondria are the principal source of ATP that provide the power of Power for such power for power for such cellular of such cellular work. So the density of mitochondria is related to cellular activity. For example, kidney cell having huge cellular activity show the large number of mitochondria, about 1000 per cells present. Is cell wall fully permeable? Yes, the cell wall permeable because it always allows both solvent and solute molecules to pass through it freely. And number 10, what is the function of lysosome? The organic particles take, taken up by the cells are digested in lysosome. Second, the lysosome dispose of the foreign particle by hydrolyzing them. It comes out the self destruction of cells. That is why it is called suicidal bag of cells.